Good morning, friends. Happy Monday. This is our last week in April. Friday will be our first day in May. So let's get started with our number corner for today. All right. So let's do yesterday. Yesterday was Sunday, April 26th, 2020. Remember, if you want to follow along and cut out the shapes, you are more than welcome to. So if you want to do that, go ahead and cut them out now. Pause the video, and you'll need 26 and 27. If not, we are going to get started. All right, so here we are on yesterday. We have a pentagon because it has 5 sides. And I have my pentagon right here. So let's see if my pentagon here is symmetrical. What do you think? Let's find out. So I know that if I fold it like this way, it's not going to work. But let's see if I fold it this way, if it'll work. There we go. It matches up. It's perfect. Look. It folds in 2. So let's log that to our calendar grid observations here. We have a pentagon, and it folds in 2. That's halves. So it is a pentagon. Perfect. Okay, what about today? So today is Monday, April 27th, 2020. Let's see what we will get today. We have a quadrilateral. Now, looking at that quadrilateral, what do you notice? What are some things that you notice? Think in your head or tell a friend next to you. What do you notice? What I notice is that not all the sides are like the same. None of them are parallel. So remember we talked about parallel is when 2 are like this. So the ones on our quadrilateral are like this. So they're not parallel at all. I have hair hanging on my hand. That's wonderful. All right, so here is my pentagon. Remember I put stuff on each side. So let's see if this one is symmetrical. Is it symmetrical? What if I fold it this way? That looks promising. Nope, it's not symmetrical. Let's log that. So, like we said, it's a quadrilateral. And unfortunately, it is not a pentagon, or it is not symmetrical, sorry. Let's do our days in school. How many days have we been in school? So on Friday, we were in school for 148 days. Now, we have to figure out what today's is. So it ended on 148. We are going to start with our 100 here. We're going to count on by tens. Okay, here we go. So 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149. Tomorrow is going to be a decade day. So we have been in school for 149 days. Excuse me. 149 days. How many hundreds, tens, and ones are in our number? How many hundreds? 100. How many tens? There's 4, but I don't only put 4, I have to write 4 tens. And how many ones? 9 ones. And that equals our 140. Now our expanded form, remember, expanded form is when you use the hundreds, tens, and ones and the total days to help you figure it out, to help you write an equation. Now, if it's an equation, then that could be multiplication, it could be subtraction. But here, we want an addition problem. So, remember, there's 100. How many hundreds? 1. Now we need to do our tens. How many tens are there? 4. What does 4 tens equal? Let's think about it. 10, 20, 30, 40. Plus 40 plus, now we have to say how many ones we have. How many ones do we have? 9. And that equals 149. Awesome job. When we left off on Friday, we had some popsicle sticks for week 4. And I moved our week 4 over here already. The question was, how many popsicle sticks do we have? So I decided that we would just show some of our work. So let me grab it. Now I have 2 friends' work here. I have this one, which is great. It says, how many popsicle sticks do we have in total? How do you know? Put your answer below. This friend wrote an equation to show me how he knew. 5 plus 5 plus 4 plus 4 equals 18. Very good, Nolan. Nice job. And I have one more to show. How many popsicle sticks do we have in total? How do you know? This is Mr. Noah. 18 popsicle sticks. Absolutely fabulous. Nice job. So like we said, we have 18 popsicle sticks. We haven't used green yet. Look at that data over here. We have 14, 16, 18, 18. How crazy. I wonder what we will get today, in this week. I wonder if it'll be more or less. Maybe we'll get another 18. That'd be kind of crazy. So, we need to pick color. I'm going to pick blue. All right, let's spin, spin, spin. But before we do that, we need to put a week 5. Here we go. Ooh, we got a line. Let's spin again. 3. We have 3 popsicle sticks today. 1, 2, 3. Can't make a bundle yet because how many do we need to make a bundle? 10. All right, let's make our tallies. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Let's go over our homework for today. Today is Monday, April 27th. For reading and phonics, play Fuzzbuzz Farms on ABC Ya. Oops. Looks just like this. So it is the Fuzzbuzz Farm consonant blends. So you can search it up here. Otherwise, there is a link in Google Classroom for it. You just press on this, and it'll bring you to the game. Remember, if it comes up with a shape, what can I think? A puzzle piece. Click it and then press allow. Okay? So you're just going to play this game. Very, very fun. Okay, here we are. No writing for today. Watch the math lesson. It is Mrs. Mulry, so you get to see her again. Watch Number Corner like you are doing right now. No science or social studies today. And then we will have art, music, and PE for Miss Mortimer, Mr. Tolksdorf, and Mr. King. Just a reminder that when you are doing your assignments in Google Classroom, that you are pressing submit at the bottom. Even if it is submitted late, still great, that's fine. Just make sure you do press submit, please. Boys and girls, have a wonderful Monday, and let's get learning. Bye, guys.